Hey babes, your bitch is back. Let's do the Slavic Doll makeup today. I will show you every step I did and I will be so glad to see you recreate this look. Please leave a comment if you have further questions. This is my makeup inspo and first we're gonna cover all these pores. For foundation, I'm gonna use a lighter shade today. This is the night before I got scammed. Felix, you wanna do makeup? I love you. Sometimes I'm just wish to be a time traveler. I have a time machine so I can just go back and forget all the nightmares. And then I remembered, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Right now I'm putting a light pink on my cheekbones. After that, I switched to a liquid blush, it's better. It's so pigmented, so you have to be careful. You can use your hand, brush, or blender to blend it. And if you want your makeup to last so much longer, you have to set the whole face. Slavic girls also love the sassy matte face. For contouring, we're not gonna go crazy today, so just some natural contouring. I always prefer the natural contouring because you are wearing your makeup in the real life, isn't it? We're gonna grab this light brown to blend it on the whole lid. It has a little bit gray tone. If you have darker skin, please be careful with it. Then we're gonna use a concealer palette to highlight the inner corner. This part has to be precise. Just trying to find a smaller concealer brush to do the work. Girls, please have more patience with your makeup. You can have no patience with your boyfriend, but makeup is different. Then we're gonna use this darker brown for the outer corner. Mostly I'm not doing aerosol, but for this makeup, you may need it. Before we do the eyebrows, we have to set it first. For liners, it has to be very thin and a little bit foxy. And you know I'm telling you every single time, take your time to do your eyeliner, it's very important. After that, we can use some eyelid strips to change the eye shape. Me personally, I prefer the lace one. Some girls are commenting saying, "Oh, my makeup is broken." It's not. I just spent so much more time than you. And I'm in love with my contact lenses. This one is just so pretty and give you a different vibe. And many girls were asking, how did you do your bottom lashes like that? Of course, fake. Fake it to make it. Me personally, I prefer straight blushes. It's just easy to apply. And I do agree, light makeup took so much time. Here comes the magic. Ladies and gentlemen, the eyebrows. Does anyone need my eyebrow tutorial? I don't think so. And yes, I'm gonna answer again. I shaved my eyebrows because I can create different shapes and I love it. It's so much fun, you don't understand. Then I'm using some different eyebrow pencils to create some strokes. Here comes the lip liner. I love that makeup inspo. Her lips are so full and juicy. Did you see this? Perfection. Then we can add a little bit lip gloss on top. Girls, play with your makeup. It's so much fun. Here I'm trying to add a little bit pink tone on my lips. Then we're gonna be the real life Barbie. And add a little bit spice. Let me fix my hair and show you the final result. And girls, I don't have bruises. They're the blue paint from the Avatar makeup I did the day before. This girl here is my recent favorite.